Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will cover an important topic of AWS, how to securely delete AWS access keys. In the services, select IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. Click on Users from left hand side, Access Management. Select the user name of which you want to delete access keys. Click on Security Credentials. Come down, you will see access keys. In the actions, first select to deactivate. Click deactivate so that the status of your access keys should show inactive. Then again click on actions, click on delete. Delete access key, you need to confirm deletion by giving this code. Then click on delete. You can see that access key deleted. Here also it is showing 0. Like this, you can delete access keys in your AWS. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.